This is a lab problem from section 5.4. We wanted to find the general indefinite integral, and this is a 8v times v squared plus 9 quantity squared dv. So the easiest thing to do at this point is to take our v squared plus 9 to the second power and expand it. So let's expand this. We'll just FOIL it all out. So this is going to be v squared squared, so that's v to the fourth. And then we have 9 times v squared, and then we're going to double that, so that's 18v squared. And then we have 9 squared is 81. And that's foiling out your your expression here. Now we're going to distribute an 8v there. So the first term, we have v to the fourth times another v, so that's 8v to the fifth. Our middle term was 18v squared, and so multiply that by 8, 64, 6 plus 8 is 14, 144. And then v squared times v, that's v to the third power. And then we have 81 times 8, so that's going to be 8. 8 times 8 is 64, so 648. And then we have v multiplied by that, so that's already there. Okay, so that gets distributed. When you're working these things out, it might be easier to do this on a piece of paper and try to match the answers that they're looking for. So the antiderivative, remember the antiderivative of x to the n, we add 1 to the power and divide by that same power. And so we add 1 to 5, we get 6. We're going to also divide by 6. We have v cubed, we add 1 to the power, we get 4. We're also going to divide by 4. And then we have v squared divided by 2. And then we have this big number, 648. Okay. So I suppose we should do some simplifying. We have 8 divided by 6. That is 4/3. And then we have a v to the fourth power. I'm sorry, that's v to the sixth power. So this is the first term. The second term, we have a 144, but we're dividing by 4. So we divide by 4, we're going to get 36. And then v to the fourth. That's a power that we have here. And then we have 648 divided by 2. So let's divide that by 2. That's 324. And then we have v to the second power. Now, remember to use capital C. They have a capital C here. If you put lowercase c, it may not take it. Now, let's put lowercase c and see what happens. But I think in general they use a capital C. So it looks like they did not take it. Remember, use capital C as a suggestion. And remember, for indefinite integrals, the general antiderivative is always going to have an arbitrary constant. So now let's submit this. And now it looks good. All right, I hope that helps.